Hi guys, Webb's Heath. A little bit overgrown, which should be ideal for giving this thing a test flight, because I have no doubt it's going to crash. I've no idea what trimming we need. It's a little bit gusty wind though, so well, we will just see what happens. 200 turns. Not sure which way the wind's blowing at the moment. It tends to gust around a bit here, swirl around. But I think it's coming from that direction. I've done no trimming on this, so I've no idea what's going to happen. How are we going to do this? I don't even know how to launch it. Fingers are going to get in the way. Okay. Well, that wasn't a disaster. Probably launched it a bit too high. I need to get the hang of how I'm supposed to do it. Wind's picking up. Let's wait for that. I haven't rewound it. I'm just going to try a bit of a glide with it. Right, okay, well, it's still in one piece. We'll wind it up again. Right, check we're still filming. Yep. Okay. Really don't know how to hold this and launch it though. Like that. I'm just trying different positions to hold it for launching. I really can't find a good place to hold it to launch it. Well, we flew further that time. The tail fell off. Still in one piece, as far as I can see. I'll have another go. Not so good. Survived though. Well, that time I'd taken off the tiny bit of nose weight that I had put on it. I think I'll put it back on again. Alright, a little bit of nose weight. Okay. Windy again, better wait for the wind to drop. I think that's as good as we're going to get at the moment. That was with the extra little bit of nose weight on it. One more go. I don't know what happened there. That didn't seem to last for long that time. Ah, I know what's going on. Gears are slipping. Right. That's what the problem is. Not much we can do about that here. Yeah, I think we've stripped some gears. I think that's what's happened. Yeah, that one's not turning properly. Right, well, that's it, guys. I would say I've given it my best, and it looks like we've stripped the gears. Oh, and we've lost one of the tail pieces. I better look. Oh, there it is over there. Don't want to leave anything behind. Yeah, unfortunately, rather what I expected. Disappointing. On the positive side, it does seem to have held together despite all the crashes. So the flexible plastic sort of saves it. But we didn't get a good flight. And I've got a lot of hobby grade rubber to use now on something else. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.